Every entrepreneur starts with a dream, a spark of an idea that promises to change the world. It begins in quiet moments of pure inspiration. A young founder sits at the desk, looking over sketches with hope. But outside this warm room, the business world is often much colder. In the heart of the city, the reality of entrepreneurship sets in. Statistics tell us that 90% of startups will eventually fail. Today, we explore the primary financial reasons behind these failures and how you can avoid these common pitfalls to ensure your business survives. The first major reason is a lack of product-market fit. Many founders spend months building something they love, without checking if anyone needs it. Outside the workshop, potential customers walk right past. They are looking for solutions to their own problems, not interested in a machine they don't understand. Even the most beautiful product is a financial failure if there is no market demand. Innovation must solve a real pain point to be sustainable. The second reason startups collapse is simply running out of cash. This is often referred to as the burn rate of the business. Without steady revenue or new investment, the gold coins eventually disappear. It happens faster than most founders anticipate in the early stages. A founder standing in a beautiful landscape suddenly realizes the capital is gone. An empty wallet is a sign that the dream is at risk. Visualizing your cash runway is essential. When the line on the graph hits zero, the journey stops, regardless of how much potential you have. Reason 3 is poor financial planning and budgeting. Without a clear map of where money goes, a startup quickly loses its sense of direction. The chaos of unorganized expenses can feel overwhelming. It leads to bad decisions and the loss of control over the company's future. Contrast this with a founder who values order. Successful businesses are built on the foundation of meticulous record-keeping and realistic financial goals. By tracking every cent and planning for the unexpected, you create a safety net that allows the business to breathe and grow steadily. Finally, we must look at pricing and cost issues. If your expenses are higher than your income, you aren't running a business. You're losing money. Selling a product for less than it costs to make is a trap many fall into. It's an unsustainable cycle that leads to inevitable bankruptcy. Imagine your business as a seesaw. If the expenses side is too heavy, the profit side will never leave the ground. Balancing these factors requires constant adjustment. Understanding your unit economics is the difference between a failing startup and a thriving enterprise. Building a resilient foundation takes time. The founders who survive are those who learn from their mistakes and adapt to financial realities. Success isn't about avoiding all risks, but about managing them with wisdom. A steady flow of happy customers is the best sign of health. As you embark on your own journey, remember to plan carefully, validate your ideas early, and keep a close eye on your finances. With the right foundation, your startup can beat the odds. Plan, validate, survive. Your journey starts now.